Today in Standard 6, let us learn one of the grammar topic, that is kinds of sentences. Here in the beginning of the lesson, there is a picture, one family who went to the museum and they are observing a picture. Father, mother and two kids. They are having different questions in their mind. So let us see what is there in their mind. First of all, a small boy. What is the picture about here? The sentence ends with a question mark. So it is a sentence that asks question. Then the mother gives command or order to the boy that let's not touch the picture. So it is a different sentence. Third, the small baby is asking, I think it's a picture of modern art. And last, the father who was having a strong feeling after looking at that picture says that what a beautiful picture. उसमें भी लास्ट जो पंक्चुएशन मार्क है वो अलग है, दैट इज़ एन एक्सक्लेमेटरी मार्क. सो लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड कि चारों सेंटेंस सेम है या अलग है, और इसी के लिए ये जो लेसन का नाम है वही है काइंड्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस. सो लेट अस लर्न व्हाट इज़ द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, सेंटेंस जो हम पहले भी पढ़ चुके हैं. व्हाट इज़ द सेंटेंस? सेंटेंस जो ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड है विच गिव सम इंफॉर्मेशन एंड इट एंड्स विद अ फुल स्टॉप इन मोस्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस, पर क्वेश्चन मार्क या एक्सक्लेमेटरी मार्क भी उसमें यूज़ होता है. नंबर 1, देर आर 4 काइंड्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस: assertive sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence and exclamatory sentence. All sentence begin with a capital letter. As we can come to know that there are 4 types of sentence: assertive, imperative, interrogative and exclamatory mark, and all sentence begin with a capital letter. First of all, about the assertive sentence, ASSERTIVE. An assertive sentence gives us some information. It always ends with a full stop. For example, I think it's a picture of modern art. जो वो छोटी लड़की ऊपर वाले पिक्चर में बोलती है वो. एंड वी ऑल नो दैट डिफरेंट एग्जांपल्स ऑफ assertive: a sentence with an sentence that ends with a full stop and gives some information. I have a pen in my pocket. There are 2 books in my bag. ये एग्जाम्पल हुए assertive सेंटेंस के. उसके बाद an imperative sentence. An imperative sentence expresses a command, order or request. It always ends with a full stop. In the above picture, the sentence by the mother, let's not touch the picture, which gives command or order to the small boy, and that is why it is an imperative sentence which gives some command or order या request. Third sentence, an interrogative sentence, ask a question. It always ends with a question mark. For example, as the small boy asked in the above picture that what is the picture about, he wanted to know about the picture, so he asked a question. और जब हम क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं तो वो होता है इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस. Last, an exclamatory sentence expresses sudden or strong feeling. It always ends with an exclamatory mark. ब्रैकेट में जो दिया है वो, what a beautiful picture, what a beautiful picture. That is an example of exclamatory sentence. So I hope it is clear in your mind. What is sentence? A group of words which gives information that generally starts with a capital later ends with a full stop. We also use question mark and exclamatory mark. 4 types, जिसमें सबसे पहले assertive sentence which gives some information, and the simple sentences that we use in our life, daily routine life, that is an assertive. यानी कि जो simple sentence हम यूज़ करते हैं to give information about something, about ourselves, that is an assertive sentence. उसके बाद सेकंड इम्पेरेटिव, जब हम किसी को रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं या कमांड देते हैं या ऑर्डर करते हैं तो वो सेंटेंस होता है इम्पेरेटिव, जो फुल स्टॉप से ही एंड होता है. थर्ड जो है वो है इंटरोगेटिव, INTERROGATIVE, इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस, अ सेंटेंस दैट इज आस्क्ड टू get some information and it ends with a question mark, that is an interrogative sentence. What is there in your hand? What date is today? Are the examples of interrogative. Last, exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence हम यूज़ करते हैं जब हम कोई सडन फीलिंग एक्सप्रेस करना चाहते हो या स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग एक्सप्रेस करना चाहते हो. जैसे कि एग्जाम्पल में दिया है, व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल पिक्चर, व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल डे आर द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस. कुछ एक्सरसाइज भी हम देखेंगे इसके बाद. इन एक्सरसाइज वी नीड टू आइडेंटिफाई द टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस. क्या वो एसर्टिव है, इम्पेरेटिव है, एक्सक्लेमेटरी है या फिर इंटरोगेटिव है. डू यू लाइक एप्पल्स? हियर द सेंटेंस एंड्स विद अ क्वेश्चन मार्क, सो इट इज एन इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस. लिसन टू योर एल्डर्स, इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस, क्योंकि वो एक कमांड देता है हमें कि हमें हमारे एल्डर फैमिली मेम्बर्स की बातें सुननी चाहिए. मोहन स्विम्स वेल, विच गिव्स इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट मोहन दैट उसको स्विमिंग करना अच्छा आता है. सो इट इज़ एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ assertive sentence. What a smart girl you are, exclamatory sentence, because which shows sudden or strong feeling, and it ends with an exclamatory mark. Our class went for a picnic yesterday, information देता है तो वो होता है assertive sentence. Where is the principal's office, ends with a question mark, so it is an interrogative. Don't bang your desk, which gives order or command, so it is an imperative sentence. A stitch in time saves 9, assertive sentence which gives information. Actually it is one of the idiom that we use in our daily routine life. सही टाइम पे किया गया काम कभी व्यर्थ नहीं होता और वो एनर्जी, मनी सब कुछ बचाता है. हाउ वेल पॉलिश्ड योर शूज़ आर, ends with an exclamatory mark, so it is a type of sentence we can call or we can refer as an exclamatory sentence. Polish your shoes well, imperative sentence, because it is an order that we should polish our shoes properly. What do you polish your shoes, question mark, interrogative sentence. उसके बाद arrange the words in proper order and put punctuation mark. Arrange the words given below to form correct sentence. Use suitable punctuation where necessary. A delicious cake baked mother. मदर बेक्ड अ डिलीशियस केक. यहाँ जो वर्ड्स है वो जम्बल्ड हो चुके हैं, विच इज़ इन नॉट राइट ऑर्डर एज पर द ग्रामर, सो वी नीड टू अरेंज दोज वर्ड्स. जैसे कि सबसे पहले नाउन आता है, फिर वर्ब, उसके बाद ऑब्जेक्ट एंड अदर वर्ड्स. सेकेंड, आर ऑफ द मंकीज वेयर द केज. तो यहाँ पे WH वर्ड where दिया है तो we'll need to start a sentence with where and we should end it with question mark. So the sentence would be like, where are the cages of the monkeys, question mark. At once that noise stop. Stop that noise at once, full stop. ये हुआ एग्जाम्पल ऑफ इम्पेरेटिव. पहले जो सेंटेंस था, अ डिलीशियस केक बेक्ड मदर, तो हियर वी टर्न द सेंटेंस इन प्रॉपर ऑर्डर एज मदर बेक्ड अ डिलीशियस केक एंड फुल स्टॉप. वो हुआ एग्जाम्पल एसर्टिव टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस का. आर ऑफ द मंकीज वेयर द केजीज, वेयर आर द केजीज ऑफ द मंकीज क्वेश्चन मार्क. सो वो हुआ एग्जाम्पल इंटरोगेटिव का. स्टॉप दैट नॉइज एज एट वंस, एग्जाम्पल ऑफ stop that noise at once, imperative sentence. In the lake there is no jewel in the lake, assertive type of sentence. It a lovely day, what a lovely day it is, exclamatory mark, exclamatory sentence. In the lake there is no jewel in the lake, assertive. Me let my homework complete, let me complete my homework, full stop, gives information. So it is a sentence in the category of assertive sentence. Then pictures and types of sentence that is written, we need to write first a balloon man, mother and a boy. Why can't I have some balloons, interrogative sentence. Then tiger and assertive sentence. The tiger looks dangerous, exclamatory sentence. What a beautiful rainbow that is, interrogative. A boy who is helping an auntie, so may I help you to cross the road, interrogative sentence. Assertive, a cricket match is going on, those players are playing very well, assertive type of sentence. Don't let your clothes wet, gives command. So it is an imperative sentence. So काफ़ी सिंपल है. टाइप्स 4 types of sentences with their example. So I hope it is clear in your mind. So thank you very much.